of the Press Corps of Malacanang. Magandang umaga po. In behalf of our Chief Philippine National Police, Police General Romel Francisco Marbil, allow me to read our statement, opening statement. This is in connection po sa pagpapanatili ng ating safety and security during this Lenten season. The Philippine National Police, in partnership with other law enforcement agencies, is fully committed to ensuring a safe, peaceful, and meaningful observance of Holy Week across the country. Through our operational guidelines, we call this Ligtas Sumbak 2025, we have strategically deployed our personnel and mobilized force multipliers. Ito po yung ating mga volunteer groups na tumutulong sa ating kapulisan to key areas of convergence. When we say key convergence areas, ito po yung ating mga simbahan, yung house of worships, yung ating tourist areas, yung ating terminals, the airports and ports, yung ating mga highways ay kasama po doon, and other busy establishments. So mayroon po tayong estimated of 65,000 more PNP personnel nationwide na i-deploy po sa terminal, transport hubs, pilgrimage sites, simbahan, tourist destinations. At ito po ay nakasal sa aming guideline ang magkaroon po ng enhanced police presence or visible kung ating Philippine National Police. We'll also augment mobile patrols kasi po ang ating concentration is highly populated areas now. Mayroon po mga kabahayan, mga subdivision areas, residential areas ay naiwanan po mga bahay. So ito din po ay isang focus namin. Now, we have not received any threat for that matter for our security and safety this Lenten season as of today. But on the part of the PNP, we remain on full alert, especially in historically vulnerable areas. Our intelligence units are closely coordinating with the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Kasama namin dito yung Philippine Coast Guard to preempt any threats from any groups who would want to magkaroon po ng disorder yung ating bansa. So, as to our vital installations, we all have also increased deployment of our personnel around power plants, communication infrastructure, and transportation terminals. We're also closely coordinating with private security groups and local crisis management councils. Sinabi po natin, Good Secretary kanina, mayroong mga possible road mishaps, sea mishaps. Ito po ay aming pinagpreparahan sa ngayon on the part of the Philippine National Police.